I'm Dr. Sana, homeopathic consultant and physician. Today I'm here to discuss the most common topic, hair fall and dandruff. This is the most common problem experienced by many 75% of the people with or without other problems. Hair fall causes are two types, clinical and non-clinical. First, coming to the clinical causes like seborrheic eczema. This is very sweat will be profuse and diffuse and associated with itching and dandruff, which leads to the hair loss. And after that, psoriasis, lichen planus, tinea capitis, and iron deficiency anemia, and hypothyroidism is also caused. And some drugs like anticoagulants are also responsible for hair loss. Now, coming to non-clinical causes. Non-clinical causes are prolonged traction, scalp massaging. Many people believe that under the impression that applying large quantity of oil to scalp and vigorous massaging helps to improve the hair growth, but in fact it will damage the hair. Vigorous brushing of the hair and shampoos containing selenium may also lead to hair loss. Women who are on oral contraceptive pills may also experience temporary hair loss. And coming to dandruff, it is normal to lose small dry scales from the scalp, but in dandruff, scales are larger, with whitish and with irritation of the skin. Various infections can cause this, especially seborrheic dermatitis. Now coming to homeopathic treatment for dandruff and hair fall. They are very good remedies in the homeopathic medicines which can control the hair fall and dandruff. Coming to first drug is phosphorus. Phosphorus is an excellent remedy for hair fall, and the peculiar symptom of the phosphorus is itching in the scalp, words from scratching, dandruff, falling of the hair in large quantities, and on the especially itching is on the fore part of the head and above the ears. We should start with 30 potency. You can take daily 6 pills or 2 drops daily, 30 potency of phosphorus. The next drug is phosphoric acid. Phosphoric acid is also an excellent remedy for controlling the hair fall and dandruff. The hair becomes gray early or turns pale yellowish or greasy. Falls off also hair of beard, especially after grief and sorrow. Whenever the patient experiences some grief and sorrow after that he complains of the hair fall, phosphoric acid is a very good remedy and gives excellent results. And phosphoric acid peculiar symptom is worse at rest and from motion and lot of itching of scalp. 30 potency daily one can take early morning, can be prescribed. The next drug is sepia. Sepia is a very good drug and have wonderful effects. And a peculiar symptom is itching on the head with dry eruptions and offensiveness and extending to the area behind the ears. And the most peculiar symptom of sepia is bald spots on the scalp. Bald spots will be there. This sepia can be taken in 30 potency or 200 potency. You can take daily for hair fall and dandruff. The next very excellent remedy of homeopathy is lycopodium. Lycopodium can be taken when the hair becomes gray early. Premature graying of hair, especially in premature graying of the hair, lycopodium is recommended to the patients and have very excellent results. So the peculiar symptom of lycopodium is hair falls out first on the vertex side, later on temples. First, the hair fall is on vertex. So there is a severe burning and itching of the scalp. Okay, especially after getting warm, after exercise. After exercise, there will be itching on the scalp. So this drug is also can be prescribed, can be taken 200 potency of lycopodium for 15 days. The next very good drug is sulfur. Sulfur is a wonderful homeopathic medicine, and it is recommended in during the hair fall which is experienced after delivery. There will be a great itching and burning sensation in sulfur patient, and if you experience great dryness of the hair and violent itching in during evening times, then sulfur is highly recommended. And the potency you can use is 200 potency of sulfur. Along with these medicines, management is also important, like cleanliness, like regular combing of the hair. So proper taking care of the hair is also plays a very important role. And if you experience the hair fall and the dandruff, then arnica hair oil, homeopathic medicine, is very good. You can mix 20 drops of arnica hair oil with coconut oil, whatever regular you are using the coconut original virgin oil. In that, you have to mix 20 drops of arnica and apply on the scalp, and gentle massage you have to give. And this should be done every alternate night, and next morning the hair wash should be done with arnica shampoo. Arnica shampoo you can get at any homeopathy store. And if you experience dandruff along with hair fall, then Jaborandi hair oil is there. Jaborandi hair oil, homeopathic hair oil is there. That you have to 5 ml of Jaborandi oil mixed with coconut oil. Whatever quantity you use in that coconut oil, 5 ml of Jaborandi oil, you have to mix it and apply it on the scalp, and gentle massage should be given every alternate night. And the next morning, you can do a hair wash with arnica shampoo. So this is the regarding the hair fall and dandruff and its homeopathic treatment. And if you have any doubts or queries, please comment below. And if you like my video, kindly share, subscribe, and like it. Thank you so much for watching.